How to add story filters to photos from camera roll. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. On Instagram, at the very top, you will see your story. Click on the plus icon. Now you will see your gallery. Select any photo in which you would like to apply the filter. After selecting the photo, you will land to this kind of interface. Now you can swipe on the screen to change filters. There are different kind of filters available. You can crop your photo by zooming in or out, or you can crop the photo after saving it to your camera roll. Once you select the photo that you like, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now you will see the save option. Click on save. It takes very little time and your photo will be saved to your gallery. You can also discard this story. Simply go back and click on discard. Now go ahead and open gallery on your device. Inside gallery, you will see the picture. Click on edit picture. Now crop it according to your liking. Once the photo is cropped, click on save to save it to your camera roll. That's all for today. Thank you.